Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Janani Balaji and you're watching Beauty Bonkers. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about all the makeup products that I find that looks really nice in real life. Like there are some products that look really nice on camera, but in real life it can look cakey or heavy. Some lipsticks might look good on camera, but in real life it can look a little bit, extra and not really that great. But today's video is going to be all about those products that look good in real life. So if you want to know what those products are, then please keep on watching. Before which, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment, hit the red color subscribe button. I'll wait for you. I'll give you a second, subscribe, and we'll get started with today's video. Before we get started, I just wanted to point out a funny thing. If you see any of my straight hairs peeping through, it's because I have got only the front part of my hair curled a little bit for the video. The rest of it is pretty straight, so let's try and ignore that. Let's just focus on the front part of the hair. And yeah, with that being said, let's get started. The first product that I'm going to be talking to you about is actually a base type of a product. It's the this one I've already talked about it. It's the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion in the shade medium. Ever since I got this on an awesome price at Amazon, I guess other websites sell it for a really high price, about $17 to $18 I guess, but on Amazon I found it for $9 or $10 I guess. So this is in the shade medium. It's like a glowy product. It's kind of like a strobe cream, MAC strobe cream, but it has a tint. So if you want to go out and if you just want some light base, this will cover nothing. It'll just give you some glow and it'll add some tint to your skin and just like kind of even it out. So I have worn just this. I have taken this to many of my trips, and I've just like quickly applied this on my face and I've headed out. So this is such a great product. It looks so nice and the glow is not too much. It's not glittery. It's nice and subtle. Actually is like a very subtle, not over the top, beautiful sort of glow from within. It looks really good for like an everyday wear. So that's why it looks really good in real life. The next product that I'm going to be talking to you about is a tinted sunscreen sort of a product. This is by the brand Tower 28 and this is the Sunnydays Broad Spectrum SPF 30 tinted sunscreen. So this is 30 ml and my shade is 40. It's a little bit deeper than my skin tone, just like a touch, but the shade below this, like the shade 35, is a little too light for me, so I prefer a shade darker than a shade lighter. I can use this. That's what I have on my face right now. I applied this with just my fingers. Like you don't even need a brush. It spreads super evenly. It just melts into your skin, adds a tiny bit of glow, protects you from the sun, evens your skin. What else do you need? What more do you need? It doesn't cover as much, like you can see. I'm not sure if you can see. I actually have some blemish marks on my skin, like right here. This doesn't cover that, but I don't care. My skin looks great with this. I'm comfortable with the coverage that this offers. It feels great on the skin. It protects your skin. It also is kind of nourishing. It's a little bit glowy and it is a little bit nourishing as well. I don't set it with a powder or anything. It's just so good. Feels nice on the skin. Really awesome product. The tint is also great. They have more shades, I guess. Yeah, and I think Tower 28 is a clean brand. I'm not sure. It's a mineral sunscreen, by the way. The active ingredient is non-nano zinc oxide. So I definitely prefer like a mineral sunscreen over a chemical. But sometimes if I find just a chemical sunscreen that works, I would like apply it. I don't care. But my preference would always be a mineral sunscreen. And this is a mineral sunscreen, if you're wondering. Really great product. Highly recommend it. The next product is also a high-end product. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, I guess. I don't know what it's called. It's this powder that's like super famous. I'll put the name on the screen somewhere. Oh my god, I have the mini version. The mini version is $25 and I'm seriously considering buying the bigger version, because I would love to take these take the mini version on my trips. It's super tiny, and I mostly set just my under eyes and maybe my T-zone, so I don't mind a lighter shade. It actually doesn't look that bad because it is not like super pigmented. It just, you know, blends into your skin, and it's like, it blurs my skin. Like, I have used this powder, I have went out and I've seen myself on camera, I've seen myself on a mirror. The powder just looks flawless under my eyes. My concealer doesn't move, and it looks like that for a very long period of time, so which means that it is long lasting. The powder is really smooth, blendable, and I use like this sort of a puff to apply it. I used it today, so that's why it's dirty. So I use it under my eyes to apply. I have also shown you a shot of you know, with powder and without powder. You can see how nice my under eyes look. It doesn't look caked up or anything. At the same time, it looks smooth and well set. So that's all this powder, magic of this powder. And I use the shade 2 medium, and this works for me really well. Highly recommend if you are on a lookout for a great luxury powder. If you want something affordable, then I don't think you would want to purchase this. I will find something that's affordable. I think the It Cosmetics one, the one that looks similar to this, like an oval shaped powder, that will be a good dupe for this. That works well too. But I really like this product. Have been enjoying it a lot. The next one is a cream blush. I have been loving cream products more than powder products because it looks like super natural. All of the Cheeck products that I'm wearing today, I don't have a highlighter on. I don't use a lot of highlighter these days because I do have a glow from using all those glowy primers, so I skip highlighter. Anyways, the Cheeck products right here, they are all like cream products, and the reason why you don't see it a lot like super punchy and super pigmented on camera is because I have chosen products that look good in real life and not caked up and not like super bright. So that's why it looks like super subtle. The blush I'm talking about is the Milani blush. I'm not sure what this is called. It's called the Cheeck Kiss in the shade Nude Kiss. Oh my god, it's super emollient, and that's why it blends and it spreads well. The color Nude Kiss in particular is so nice for brown skin tone, and it's that sort of a subtle pink that's not too like super Barbie pink or, you know, purpley pink. It's a nude pink, and that's the reason why it has a little bit of brown to it, I guess, and that's why it kind of works for our skin tone really well, and it just spreads so nicely. And that's the reason why you can just pile on a little bit extra product and, you know, blend it, and I guarantee you it'll spread really well on your cheek, and it'll look like you have like naturally flushed cheeks. And especially during springtime, I think this is gonna look really nice. It's such a great product, and it gives a little bit of glow as well because it's not like a matte you know, that sort of hard formula like the Honest blushes. This one is like more glowy, more emollient, and a little bit dewy as well. Now let's talk about a cream bronzer as well. That's the cream bronzer that I'm wearing today. It's very subtle again. It's the E.L.F. Putty bronzer. I don't know what shade it is. Yeah, it's the Golden Daze shade. This shade in particular is so nice and subtle on my skin tone. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's not gray toned or anything. It's just like a neutral toned bronzer. It's very neutral. Again, same thing. This is matte, however, it doesn't have the dewy finish to it like the Milani blush, but this spreads so evenly. Even if you pile on a little bit extra product, it will blend so seamlessly, and it'll look very natural on the skin. Really great for everyday. So all of these products that I'm mentioning today are great for everyday wear, and that's why I'm mentioning them in makeup that looks good in real life videos. So yeah, all of these products will look great for office, for college, whatever, wherever you're going, whatever you're doing. So it's good for everyday wear. That's what I wanted to say. So this is such a awesome product. I wish it came in a little bit of a better packaging, like a bigger pan, because like only these kind of smaller brushes fit into this. If you're a person who uses a large brush for your cream bronzer, then it'll be a little bit more difficult. You kind of have to maneuver it over this sort of a small pan, small pot, and kind of get it onto your brush completely. So that's the only complaint I have, the packaging. But the product itself is so great, you guys. I really like it, highly recommend it. Let's talk about an eye product. I have been talking about this mascara non-stop. This one, it's better than Lash Princess. I said it. This is such a nice mascara. I don't even have my lashes curled today, and it looks really natural. It doesn't look over the top. I don't know, it gives nice amount of volume, some amount of length, and it's really nice for everyday wear. And I don't know, that's all I've got to say about this mascara. Awesome mascara, and it's very affordable. It's like $4 or $5. It's by the brand Essence. I haven't even told the name of the mascara yet. It's the Essence Volume Stylist mascara, and this one, this purple tube, is what you have to look for. It's so great. And this, when I combine with Lash Princess, it looks even better. Trust me, if you have Lash Princess, you can go out and buy this and, you know, try both together. It'll look amazing. Now on to some lip products. I have like 3 lip products to show you from 3 different categories. Let's start with a very light, you know, kind of a lip product that you can wear without makeup at all. You can just wear it like even at home, you know. So this is the Milani lip oil, and this one in particular is in the shade 140. I'm not sure what the shade name is. It's called Cherry Lime. Okay, the shade is called Cherry Lime. There are other shades as well. I have a transparent one that does not have any sort of a color to it. If you're that sort of a person who likes transparent lip oils, you can go for that. It's a little bit thicker than the Ulta Beauty lip oils. Ulta Beauty lip oils are like super thin. It's more like, it's very nourishing, but it does not have much color payoff. If you want some color in your lip oil, you know, for some springtime and stuff like that, this is the one you need to buy. This is in the shade Cherry Lime again. I have also inserted me applying it and how it looks on me and stuff. This one is not the lip product that I'm wearing on my lips currently, but this looks so good. Oh my god, it just, this does not come off as this red on my lips. It kind of is like a darker pink, and that's why it looks super natural for especially brown skin tone girls. If you're near my skin tone and if you're looking for a tinted lip oil, then this is so good, you guys. So good, very nourishing, looks awesome. Doe Foot applicator is also like that Dior one. I haven't tried the Dior lip oils, but so nice, lovely product. I'm going to talk about a product that I've been talking about continuously in all of my videos. You guys are going to be bored, but I have to talk about this because this has to be there if I'm talking about products that look really good in real life. So this is the Tower 28 lip gloss. This shade in particular, Cashew, is what I have on my lips, but my lips are a little bit tinted from applying other lip products, so that's why it looks a little bit pink. But I have a swatch video on all of my lip glosses. I would have swatched this particular lip gloss in that video. You can check that out. So yeah, this is such a nice lightly tinted lip gloss. You can wear it on its own, or you can pair it up with a nude lipstick. It will look really good. You can see the color from here. It's such a nice color for our skin tone. And yeah, the applicator is also very nice. It's like a paddle brush applicator, pretty standard. And Nothing to complain. Looks really nice on those no makeup days. So the last and final product of this video is also a lip product. These are the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD lip crayons. It's been so long since I spoke about this. I have a whole swatch video on this particular lip crayon. You can go check it out for swatches, for more colors in that. I'm showing you just 2 colors in today's video, but you can go to that video. I'll link it down below or something. You can check out swatches of all the shades that I own. This looks HD on the lips, you know. It just somehow it smoothens the lips. It's super pigmented, first of all. And if you're planning to wear like a little bit of a heavier makeup and like for a wedding or something, and you want it to look good in camera and also in real life, these are the lipsticks that you want to go for. These ones are like, it looks HD, okay? It kind of smoothens the lines on your lips, makes your lips look smooth somehow. So I really love these lip crayons, and I think everybody should own at least one shade from this. And the shade that I actually recommend is the shade which I gave it to my sister because my sister really liked it. I think it's called Natural Cocoa or something like that. I'm not too sure. I'll put the name on the screen somewhere, but I don't have the shade currently. I gave it to my sister. As I said, she really liked it. So that's one shade that I would recommend from this particular range if you are brown skin tone. So with that, we come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, it's take care. Tata, bye bye from Janni Balaji.